Okay, we got a 2021 Cadillac XT4 key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up if you need to replace your battery. So turn it over, and right here on the bottom of the remote, there's a button that we're going to press and hold down, and that's going to allow us to pull out the emergency key. Hold it down and pull out, okay? Emergency key's right here. This is what opens your door in case your remote's dead. Now we're going to take this back panel off, get yourself a flathead screwdriver, put it in this slot right here. All right, see that? So I have it in here. We're just going to pry the bottom of the remote open carefully and try not to damage anything. Now I want the buttons facing down because I want the circuit board to stay down here because the battery is located in the back half of the remote. And we can just pry the battery out right here. I'll get a new battery and show you what size it is. Here's a new battery. It's a CR 2032 battery. The positive sign right here is facing down in the remote. Snaps back in. Now if you need a battery, down in the description box I'm going to have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery, the correct size, $2. All right, so check that out if you need one. Now I'm going to put this back together with the top half first, and I'm going to work my way to the back, lock it in, get the key. If it goes in and locks, we're all done. Well, if this video was quick and straightforward, I really appreciate if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another one of my videos.